بله مرکز اطلاعاتی 119 پلیس است، بفرمایید. درست است برادر. مطلب گرفته شد برادر، روز خوش داشته باشین.
بشنو مرکز میوان. اداره گرفت مجرات میشه. تکان نخو. دماسره پلیس هستی. چکش کو.
Community policing, Police Mardume, is about police and the community working together. Just the way you saw a minute ago. A normal citizen sees something suspicious and informs the police, who will take necessary actions. Community policing is about the police accountable. It is about building trust and confidence. A good community policing officer is an educated, well-trained and armed police officer. We can fight the insurgency through community policing. Over the years, EUPOL has worked shoulder to shoulder with our Afghan counterparts to develop the approach and embed the philosophy of community policing. We have seen it grow. Of course, this isn't the end. It is still the beginning because the ambition is that all police will in time become community officers. That's why it is important to not just embed community policing, but also professionalize the police and, yes, tackle corruption. EUPOL is here to help the Ministry of Interior to move the ANP from military fighting force to a civilian police service. Community policing is at the heart of this approach.
سامانیار حمید کویی هستم، افسر پلیس ملی افغانستان. از مدت 10 سال باعث خدمتگار ایفای وظیفه میکنم. پلیس مردمی از بطن مردم، از میان مردم برخواسته و در خدمت مردم خود است. پلیس مردمی اعتماد، اعتبار و صمیمیت میان پلیس و مردم ایجاد میکنه. پلیس مردمی از جان، مال، ناموس و حیثیت مردم افغانستان صادقانه حراست و پاسبانی میکنه. تشکر برادر از همکاریتان.
تشکر از خدمت صادقانه تان.
ما به خاطر تامین امنیت کشور عزیز خود افغانستان یک جا کار میکنیم.